Good morning students. In my last video, I taught you area and perimeter chapter 16 up to 16.2. Today I am going to start exercise 16.3. For that few more formulas are needed. That 16.3 is related to circle, its circumference, its area related to that. So see circle. This is the figure of circle. So definition for you write. What is circle? A circle is a collection of all those points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point in that plane. See, this is the fixed point. Its distance from this point O and P. P is the distance from O. If we take all the points on this boundary, then these all are at equal distances. P1, P2, P3. These all points, they are at same distance from this point. So this boundary, this makes a circle. This boundary is the concept of circle. So what is circle? Circle is the collection of right dimension is the collection of all those points say P in a plane. This plane is taken in a plane, each of which at a constant distance from a fixed point. Fixed point in that plane. So see, these all points are at a constant distance from this fixed point. This fixed point is called center of the circle. The fixed point is called center. O is center of the circle at the constant distance is OP, OP1 and the constant distance is called radius. So see OP, this is radius and this is center. O is center and OP, OP1, these are equal. These are constant is equal and they are called radius. A circle has so many radius. The plural of radius radii. So can say a circle has many radii. Now circumference. Let add it. Circumference. So what is circumference? See, this is a circle. This length is called circumference. So the length of the whole arc, the length of is called its circumference. Its circumference. We can represent circumference by C. C is equal to 2 pi r. R pi into d. D is in diameter. So see, if you take diameter, then QP. This total distance is diameter. Alright? And R the radius. Also, diameter D is equal to 2R. 2R means 2 into radius. Okay? So, diameter is double of radius. And if you want to find radius, R is equal to 3 upon 2 pi. Circumference divided by 2 pi, then you will get radius. Value of pi is, where pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is value of pi. Next point is area. What is area? The region enclosed by circumference or boundary of a circle is called its area. The region enclosed by the boundary of a circle is called its area. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Also, r is equal to area upon pi in square root sigma. One more formula is there for finding area of ring. I can run this. When there is a circular ring, then this shaded point. This shaded point is called circular ring. This radius is smaller and this radius is capital. Area of ring, area of ring is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square, where small r is the inner radius. Inner radius is smaller and outer radius is. So if you have to find area of this shaded region, this is called ring. Then that should be pi capital S square minus small r square. All of you understanding? Okay. Now we can start our exercise. All of you know these formulae. And we can start exercise 16.3 now. question number 1. First and third part we can do. Value of pi is already given 22/7. Question number 1. First part. In this radius is given r is equal to 7 cm. They are asking find the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r 2 into 22/7 into 7 cancel 44 centimeter is the circumference. Circumference length of the boundary of the circle. This is 44. Third part also we can do. In this case, value of r is 28 millimeter. Then circumference is equal to 2 into 22/7 into 28. 7 4s are multiply 44 into 4. 176 mm. All of you are understanding now? Okay, you can note it. Now, question number 2. First part. In question number 2, they are asking area. Find area. Find area. First part. When what is given radius r is equal to 14 mm. 14 mm. Radius is given 14 mm. Then area pi r square is the formula 22/7 into 14 into 14. 7 to the 14. Then you multiply 14 into 44. 14 4 the 56. Then 56 and plus 5. 61. mm square. Unit of radius in square unit. Third part also we can do. In third part diameter is given. Diameter 9.8 meter. Diameter 9.8 meter. So radius is equal to 9.8 upon 2, 4.9 meter. It is given in meter. Radius this much. Area is equal to again pi r square 22/7 into 4.9 into 4.9. 7 49. You multiply, then you will get 75.46. 75.46. 46 meter square. Question number 2, all of you note. Then question number 3. Now see question number 3. Find the circumference and area of circle. Radius is 20 cm. Radius 20 cm and value of r is 3.14. It is given in this one not in fraction 22/7. If you divide by 7, you will get this. So they are asking circumference and area. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 20. 125.60 centimeter. You multiply, you get 125.60 centimeter. And area is also area pi r square 3.14. Value is given, so you have to take same value into 20 into 20 is equal to 1256 centimeters square. 1256 centimeters square. All of you are understanding now? Now see question number 4. The minute hand of a tower clock is 1.4 meter. Minute hand, it will use here just like radius of circle. How far does the tip of hand move in 1 hour? See, if tower clock is like this, and this is the minute hand. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So this is the minute hand. And when it will make one full round, in 1 hour it will make one full round. Means how much distance? This much distance the hour hand will correct, or that minute will cover. It means it will cover equal to circumference. Question number 4. Radius is equal to 1.4 meter. So circumference two pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4. Here value of pi not given, then we will take 22 by 7. 0.2 is equal to 8.8 meter. How much distance it will cover? That hand move in 1 hour. Minute hand will move in 1 hour 8.8 meter. Now question number 5. Observe this side. These questions are very easy. You have to remember the formula. When forward that formula, you must learn that formula. See question number 5. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter. Diameter is given. Find the length of rope he needs to purchase. He is fencing in circumference. If he makes 2 rounds means 2 times double of that circumference. So first he find circumference. Diameter is given. Diameter 21 meter. So circumference pi d. This is also formula. Pi into d, r2 by r also 22 by 7 into 21. 66 meter. For 1 minute 1 round, 66 meter. Then length of rope will be equal to 2 rounds. Length of rope 2 into 66, 132 meter. 132 meter long rope is needed for fencing 2 rounds. And the cost of the rope is given 4 rupees per meter. Cost of rope is equal to 132 into 4. 500 rupees, 520. This is the cost. All of you are understanding now? Okay, you can note. After this, we will do question number 7. See 7. Find the length of the diameter of circle whose circumference is given. Here it is. Circumference is given 44 centimeter. radius is equal to diameter C upon pi. 44 upon value of pi 22 by 7. This 7 will come here. 44 into 7 upon 22. 2 times 14 meter. Centimeter. So, what is the length of diameter? Diameter equal to 14 centimeter. All of you are understanding now? One more we can do. Question number 9. See, find the radius and circumference. Area is given. Area is 144 centimeter square. Area 144 centimeter pi 144 pi centimeter square. This is given. So see, you know that radius is equal to in square root a upon r. 144 pi upon pi, then pi cancel. Square root of 144 is 12 centimeter. So radius we got. What they are asking? Find the radius. One answer we got. And circumference also they are asking. One answer we got. Also circumference 2 pi. 2 into 22 by 7 into 12. Then, no, the pi you can do that. So, you got in question also got in pi. 2 into pi into this is equal to 24 pi centimeter. Here is the circumference. So, all of you note up to question number 9 and some question in between you can try by yourself. Understanding now? Okay, thank you.